How to hide Telegram notifications on Android lock screen. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this quick tutorial video, I'm here to guide on how to hide Telegram notifications on Android lock screen. So do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tech and tips videos. Firstly, you have to tap on whole Telegram application on the device. Now tap on I button at the top left corner of the pop-up menu box. And here you will see different kind of options listed below. So let's tap on manage notifications and ensure to allow notifications. And on this section, you will easily find the option to hide notifications detail on lock screen. So you have to toggle on the button, and once you do that, your all the notifications detail on Android lock screen that has appeared from the Telegram will be hidden, and no messages or details will be shown on your Android lock screen. So that is it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and subscribe.